Hello fellas, today I'll be teaching you how to remove an outline or stroke from an object using Illustrator. So first, you bring in your object. It could be rectangle, square, any object of your choice. You fill in your stroke. It could be any point you want. So after that, you select the object, go to Object on your menu at the top. Then scroll down to Part, then select Outline Stroke. After that, you click on Group from your panel, and that's it. On Group, and then it automatically separates the outline from your object. So then you can fill in your stroke with any color of your choice, or you can do whatever you want to do with your stroke. Hope this helped. See you on the next one. Remember to subscribe and follow the channel. Thank you.